Hello everyone, welcome to Carax Bhakti Cars. Here we have got with us Mr. Suresh Ramatri sir, who has done his Honda Elevate, and we have done a few accessories for his car. We'll be taking his short review about his experience with Carax Bhakti Cars as of now.
Come on, Anurag. Nice to have you along with your team out here and taking the efforts to come and seek a feedback from us.
Absolutely.
Now, whatever questions you have to ask us, please go ahead.
So, how was your experience with respect to the overall installation for your Honda Elevate with respect to accessories that we have done for your car?
Okay.
So, can you share a short review about the same?
Definitely. My experience is not only limited to the Honda Elevate. We've been your old customers, and a number of other old vehicles also have been done at your end. So the experiences we've had with you have been really very, very good, and that is how we decided to even now come and get the vehicle done up at your Carax. And beautiful job done.
Thank you so much.
And love to be interacting with you because it's a very, very cordial and very positive atmosphere, not only with you, your father, but even the staff.
Thank you so much. And did you visit Carax previously for any other accessories solutions for your other vehicles?
Yes, like I told you earlier, even the earlier vehicles, whatever accessories we wanted to be fitted in the car, there was only one place to go, and that was Carax.
Absolutely.
Maybe an odd small job elsewhere, probably depending on but otherwise, any major work or otherwise, we've been looking up to Carax.
Thank you.
Because of your performance.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
What made you trust the skill set of Carax installation team? And how did you think about selecting Carax as the only option for your work getting done for Honda Elevate?
Like I told you, our association with you people has been right from 2005 onwards.
Okay.
So it's not only the vehicles which I bought and got them done up, even within the family, number of vehicles we got it done from you, and the satisfaction we got. And that is the basic reason that we decided to come to you again. And having heard a lot about your team as well.
Okay.
My son, his Honda City, has been coming to you regularly, and he's been getting the jobs done. So the quality of work and the staff and their competence was well known, and that was one of the reasons that we even now decided to go to Carax and not elsewhere.
Beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your review.
It's always a pleasure to interact with you.
Thank you.